Candace, and I don't know if you guys can see me because I can't even see what I'm doing. Let's move this back. I don't know if I'm getting cut off. Sorry, you guys. Until I can get set up in my living room here at the new house. The new bedroom is where I'm filming, and so video quality is going to suck until I get that sorted. So please bear with me. The first one. I finally got the last Firefly cargo crate. This one is, the theme is Serenity, which is the ship. Wearing my Jane Cobb hat. It is from Loot Crate, powered by Quantum Mechanics. Awesome company. I have loved every single one of these Firefly crates. They're pretty awesome. Loot Crate's regular boxes can be kind of hit or miss, but I think the company in the last few months has definitely stepped up their game. I think they've done a great job, even with their regular boxes. But their specialty boxes, they seem to do pretty good, even though I don't subscribe to some of them just because they're not my thing. The value's definitely there, and they do a good job at what they do. I've gotten the Wizarding World one, the first one. It was so amazing. I loved it. I'm looking forward to the second one. I got the Sanrio one, which is sitting right there. I haven't opened it yet, so I can't wait to see what it has. I've avoided spoilers. I do know what's in the Firefly one. A couple of the items. I can't remember everything. But I've not really been too disappointed in any of the Firefly cargo crates. They have excellent value. And anything by Quantum Mechanics is a win. The specialty crates tend to be a little more pricey than the average Loot Crate. But again, it's definitely worth the money. So first thing we see is the shirt. Set that off to the side. Alright, we have a Quantum Mini Masters plaque, Firefly dedication plaque. Their Mini Masters figures are awesome. That's what it looks like. Allied Spacecraft Corporation, Class Firefly Transport, hull number G82659, laid August 2459, Firefly Shipworks Limited, Hera. Ooh, and it's heavy, very weighted. I am so glad that did not fall on my foot, because it was right there. I have dropped things on my feet 4 or 5 times today. And my feet are already super tired and achy and swollen from moving. I did not need that to fall on my foot. That's... Oh. And I'm not sure what this is, but I guess we'll figure it out. Got this piece, and apparently it screws in the back, and it sits like so. So that's going to be cool. I'm going to be having a little Firefly corner in my little home office once it gets situated. So very cool. I guess that's the figure. Every box comes with a sticker which also matches what's on the outsides of our boxes every month. So we get a second sticker inside. They also come with a lapel pin, which I've got 2 on here, but I keep forgetting to add the other ones. Their pins are outstanding. So we got the Serenity logo, little Chinese font. Got that. The next thing we got, this looks like a luggage tag, and engineered by Firefly, Coachworks Limited, Osiris, number 03K64FF, and it is a luggage tag with Serenity. The next thing we have is this, and this is another item I remembered. Specifically, I don't remember what it is, but I just remember this little book. All right, took a minute. So the room is waiting all new for $24.59. Firefly, another fine spacecraft from the Allied Spacecraft Corporation, New Burbank, Osiris, a subsidiary of Blue Sun Corporation. On the back, Firefly Coachworks Limited, building better spaceships. That is gorgeous. Book's a little scratched. Alright, so inside it's kind of like blueprints of Serenity. Very cool. So that's a cool little book. Firefly screen accurate replica cargo labels. Brought to you in part by Blue Sun. I think these are like little mini prints. Oh, they're actual labels. Not that I'd use them, because I don't want to ruin it. And we're back to the beginning. Pretty cool. Kind of like little prints. I rather keep them as prints than take them off as like stickers. So once you unstick them, you know, that's that. So we got this month's the signal. Alright, you're probably wondering what happened to the Firefly Qbits back in the last couple of Firefly cargo crates. Good news, Qbits will be back early next year. To help keep track of where you are in your collection, we have a handy chart on the back of this card. The colored in Qbits have shipped. The ones in silhouette will be coming in future crates. If you miss some of the Qbits, there will be other chances to get them. Just sign up for the QMX Insider newsletter, and we'll let you know as soon as they're available. And actually, I have them all because I tracked them all down. I had gotten 3 of them, and then I tracked the other 3 down myself. So I currently have all these. I know the next one's in the set's going to be, I can tell one's Anara. One's going to be River. And I'm thinking the other one's going to be the one that's in the next box. Or her figure anyway. Which the next theme is Osaf, which is Saffron. If you don't know who Saffron is, you obviously haven't been watching Firefly. But that's a good little cheat sheet to have. The next thing we have, we always get a Mini Masters or Quantum Mechanics figure. And this one is Serenity. And these figures are just so amazing. The quality's insane. So we go, here's the Serenity. And then like the other figures, they come with a stand with the info on the back. And this one's a little different. Here we go. I think I did that wrong. It's just got a little magnet here and a little magnet there. Oh. And I'm not coordinated. So there we go. Sweet, just freaking sweet. So the last thing we have is our shirt, and I'm digging this one. Let's see Serenity right there. So here's our shirt. And I love this heather gray. Let's moon 'em. Sweet shirt. Love it. Alright, so that was the most current, I guess, December/January Loot Crate Firefly Cargo Crate from Loot Crate and Quantum Mechanics. Very excellent box. Again, I really just am never disappointed in this box. Great. It's a great box. I love it. So, but that is it for this video. And I don't know what I'm doing. But, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Whoa,